سلام دوستان عزیز، چخیره که گفته بودیم امروزم یک ویدیو دیگر به شما میرسونیم. در اینجا یعنی ورزش ها رو به شما میفهمونیم، نمودی ورزش ها یعنی sports. So number one, archery. This sport is called archery. And number two, it's billiards. In some places, pool or billiards. You can say I like pool, I want to play pool, I play billiards, or I like archery. So next one is bowling. This one which you see on the picture, this is a bowling. And this one, number four, is boxing. This number four is boxing. I train boxing, or I like boxing, or I just do boxing. And next one is cycling or biking. کسی شما هم بازی را کند یعنی امین ورزش را کند یعنی که cycling یا که biking میگن. So next one is badminton. Number 6 is badminton. And number 7 is fencing. Number 8 is golf. And number 9 is gymnastics. Number 10 is inline skating. Inline skating. And number 11 is martial arts, MMA or martial arts. And number 12 is racquetball, or game is called racquetball. So number 13 is skateboarding. Number 14 is table tennis. Number 15 is table tennis, or number 15 tennis and table tennis. And number 16 is weightlifting. Weight vazn lifting bardori. Weightlifting. Number 17 is wrestling. Wrestling, or we can say Gushtin Mili, national wrestling. So number 18, track and field. And number 19, horse racing. And asp racing, damundan, yoki poiga, yoki gonka, horse racing. Okay, so guys, today's lesson, this were, and see you on the next lesson.